Business today is a high-speed chase. New ideas rocket past, markets shift like sand dunes, and customers change their minds faster than you can say disruption. So how do some companies survive and thrive in this frenzy? In this new season of ETHRWold Future Ready Organisation, we'll meet the rule breakers, the pioneers redefining success. In this first episode, we explore a young company disrupting the world of finance with a groundbreaking new offering in supply chain, Veefin.
My co-founder Gautam Mudani, he used to run a company called Infinity Systems, custom design of software. And since 2006, I used to be at the World Bank, IFC, and I wanted to build a supply chain finance product because there's a huge market globally. So I came to him and I said, build me a product for supply chain financing. It was a vendor-client relationship.
He wanted to build a product to solve a problem in the banking industry, mainly on the supply chain finance side, wherein adequate technology at that point of time to run supply chain finance product for banks or run books for them or grow their book size was not possible.
Then over a couple of years, we were at it, and then I decided to move out of IFC. And then we said, let's now start this company. And that's how Veefin was formed. And then we bootstrapped it all along. Then a point in time came where we had to raise additional money. And we said, why go to the VCs? Why not go to the stock market? So in a very short span of time, a company which was formed just between two of us, we took to the stock market and got us listed to tap the public markets.
With a mission to become the global #1 SCF platform and a vision to be the best, Veefin is making its mark, one of the youngest companies to be listed on the stock market. Veefin's strength lies in its diverse range of solutions, from onboarding modules and loan origination systems to SCF, LMS, and deep embedded finance. Veefin's comprehensive offerings define its success.
Veefin was formed from day one as a product company. End to end, from the onboarding to underwriting to loan management, transaction management. Veefin was the first company globally to have done this, and even now there are very few companies globally who do this.
We have a well-defined organization structure. It's a 4-tier structure in place. At the end of the day, there are only two objectives that we have: to build a beautiful product, which solves real-life problems for people who run banks, and second is to deliver a good quality bug-free product to our clients.
We are aware that the financial world is constantly evolving, and so we have ensured a future-proof technology which is constantly being upgraded. We bring in innovations continuously to our products, and we easily adapt to the regulatory changes, the RBI circulars or business needs.
Veefin's offerings are far superior to any legacy systems that any of the financial institutions they are using. We engage with them to understand their current pain points, requirements and goals. Unlike any rigid legacy system, Veefin offers a low-code workflow manager. This allows financial institutions to customize workflow for various SCF products, adapting to specific needs and regulations without heavy development cost. We even ensure all necessary data is accurately migrated from the legacy system to Veefin. Veefin offers financial institutions a modern, scalable and efficient platform specifically designed for SCF.
Veefin is a future-ready leader in supply chain finance, building strong, diverse teams. They enhance leadership skills, promote effective communication, and lead with empathy. Their campaign, Humans of Veefin, showcases unique employee stories, while national and international awards recognize their excellence.
The culture at Veefin is built on absolute truth, honesty, and we feel it's filled with gratitude. That's something very, very important to us. The major reasons why we got listed and opted for taking the IPO route or going for the listing was the fact that we did not want PE/VC funds to come and influx money into the company, probably at a higher valuation than what we got listed at, because in the market it's an unstated truth that the ESOPs of an unlisted companies, they can go down the drain suddenly. We have seen many unicorns going through that cycle. For us, our people are the most important assets that we carry. These are the people on whom we have built the company. We wanted to ensure that they at some point of time realize the value of the contribution that they have made to the company. It's on their contribution that we are growing today. To ensure that their ambitions, their life dreams get fulfilled by the ESOPs that we have given them, it was very important for us to make them value it. It also helps us a lot in retaining employees and making them feel like the real owners of the company.
And the most important thing at Veefin is we are trying to create a band of entrepreneurs. Okay? So when we say band of entrepreneurs, therefore the kind of structure that we have, the kind of people that we have hired, it all reflects in that. So in terms of hierarchy, we have max hierarchy of 4 levels, including me. In some functions, just 3. So very, very flat as an organization. So that's something different. Being friendly, being kind and respectful, these work across all genders. Veefin has always been very LGBTQ friendly, and we are very, very strict when it comes to any kind of harassment complaint. We are talking about it all the time, whether in our town halls, whether in our stand-up meetings on the floor. So women feel very comfortable with that. And also we have a lot of women in the senior management. Our CFO is a woman, our company secretary is a woman, head of products is a woman. We have tech leads who are women, who are leading cross-gender teams. So when people see that, and we have a ratio of 3:1, when people see that, when women see that, they feel more comfortable in the organization.
So Veefin's culture is built on the foundations of openness and flexibility. So you can imagine an environment where the open door policy and flat structures are not just buzzwords but realities. So everyone feels empowered to contribute and have a sense of ownership towards the projects that they take up. So we provide the employees with a lot of flexibility to manage their professional and personal parts of their life while maintaining that sense of ownership towards their work.
I think what makes Veefin a future-ready organization is the unwavering focus the leadership has on learning and development. Right? We identify the next possible disruptive force, and we make sure that we are future-ready by hiring people who can help us tackle that. Employee happiness. Now, everywhere you go, I know people will say that employees are happy, but I feel that here the message from the top is that there's nothing more important than employee happiness. And people are taking steps to make sure that attrition is at an all-time low and employees are happy at coming to work every day.
At Veefin, even the founders make it a point to meet everyone in person, even though we're a 300-member team now. There's equal respect across all designations, I think, which makes a huge difference. Plus, every big decision that is made is always shared with the team and discussed maybe during their stand-ups or during town halls. This process makes it really feel like, everyone's voice matters here.
Veefin's commitment to its employees has resulted in significant increase in satisfaction, positive future outlooks, feelings of valued contributions, and overall happiness. Veefin is truly a future-ready organization and continues to set the standards for excellence.